Hi guys! 11:08 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, and Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? And of course, we're nearing Chinese New Year. Opo, Happy Chinese New Year to each and everyone. Maraming pong salamat for your continued support. And again, back to basics po tayo of what to do tomorrow, Sunday obligations. Let's do it po, ano. Wow, let's check. So again, we have this, of course. Yan, tingnan natin. Tomorrow, Sunday. Wow, ganun pong kabilis. Alright, Sunday, BFF. January 26 is the Wood Goat enters the Distraction Officer Day. Wow, bumugat talaga, distraction. So, tingnan natin. Ano po ba ang meron sa Distraction Officer Day? Okay. Excuse me. Ito po. It says here, avoid all activities. Ayan, but of course, daily obligation, don't forget. So let's keep it just chill. Chill lang po tomorrow. Go to church, Thanksgiving, family time. Let's do it po. Day to day or things that you do on a Sunday, let's go for it. Then let's say the animal sign. Says here, rat and ox are challenging. Tiger is average. Rabbit is very good. Dragon is average. Snake is challenging. Horse and goat, very good. Monkey is average. Rooster, challenging. Dog, average. And pig is very good. Okay. Now, don't lose hope. Tingnan natin yung daily Chimen. But just in case, baka po, well, may mas maganda po dito. We can 10x whatever we would want. So, let us see. Okay. 26. It says here, the game changer with absolute support, with having a good health, recovery from illness, talikod po sa Southeast. And anything to do with finances, should there be anything that you were gonna do in terms of monetary, talikod po sa South. And you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod po sa Northwest. Anything to do with negotiations, talikod naman po sa West. By the way po, I like to send my condolences po to my very worshipful SK Paring Rick for the passing of his mother-in-law, and to my client po, Sir JC. I also like to extend our condolences in the passing also of your mother-in-law. Sa inyo po, ako po nakikiramahi po. Let's pray for their repose po. BFF So, ito po BFF in this situation, we continuously pray for each other because in our life, there are times we really can't avoid sad events. So, let us, po, extend our condolences, prayers po for them. Okay? Especially tomorrow, there's a Sunday obligation. Let's pray po. Let's pray for each other. Okay, BFF, for those who would want to have the Green Dragon return, tingnan po natin. Silipin po natin just in case.